You walk into your parents' house and you're gonna have some explaining to do, because your mom's might be tripping. She sees blood splatter all over the insoles and outsoles and midsoles. You gotta have an excuse ready when you come in the door with these. Perfect. Nightmare on Elm Street. Wes Craven, 1984. When that movie came out, nobody was getting no rest. Good night's sleep? I don't think so. You might get murdered in your dreams. What up, YouTube? Retro God back with another one, and on today's episode, don't sleep on these. Literally. These are the Freddy Krueger Nightmare on Elm Street Vans. I know it's not Halloween, but I had to go cop these when I seen them. These are dark. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button for your boy. You already know I'm bringing you guys the exclusives. And this, man, come Halloween, you guys are gonna be sick you missed out on these. We're gonna dive into the souls on these ones. Oh man, YouTube, and I cannot wait to review these. Possibly the coolest Freddy Krueger shoes that have ever released. I can't believe how well these came out. Wes Craven, the legendary director and creator of the Freddy Krueger franchise, man. In 1984, when Nightmare on Elm Street came out, not a lot of people got rest them days because that movie was scary as shit. After watching it back, some of those images they've stuck in my head. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, they've stuck in my head. Some people are paying some big money to get a shoe to even look close to this, and they're putting in some serious custom work. Anyways, let's take a look at the upper. As you can see here, you have a canvas textile upper, and the stitching is very straightforward. I mean, Vans are super popular here in Canada, so if you throw a stone, you're gonna hit somebody that, is wearing Vans. Did you know that Wes Craven got his start actually editing porn films? He even has a film called Deep Throat. Deep Throat. Paint splatter here, which is done in an overlay, and it's a screen print, but damn, that's just, they put it in so many pieces of the shoe. It's everywhere you look. You don't get splatter like that by walking through it. You get it by doing that. Genuine Freddy Krueger colors. The outsole is obviously a cup sole, genuinely the same on most of these Vans, and the outsole, the print, the splatter on the print, man, oh, they just got it so good, and it's such a good detailed job. And this canvas print feels even what it might feel like for Freddy's sweater. Freddy Krueger even dabbles into studio life. Freddy Krueger has actually made it through several different genres. He even has an album out, the greatest hits album. He even has a record with Will Smith and Jazzy Jeff. Like, what? You got a Freddy Krueger got a song with Will Smith? Fam. The detail on the laces is really cool, although I would have liked to feel a little bit of a more premium lace because they're very thin feeling, and I feel like it might have been the only way they could get that blood print on there, but that's super cool. The lacelet section is no different. The whole shoe is fire. Did you know Freddy Krueger is in the same universe as Evil Dead, like the Necronomicon and all that with Ash? Yo, that's crazy stuff. They even had a comic book together, and they did a couple books apparently. So yeah, Freddy Krueger and Evil Dead is in the same universe. The mudguard section has its own blood splatter detailing here. Freddy Krueger's sweater is alive and well on these shoes, man, and it's one of those things that brings you right back to 1985. Vans off the wall right here on the tongue section, and they obviously did a good job of branding that. Freddy Krueger even had a TV show out when, a lot of people were on that. Even Brad Pitt, young Brad Pitt, made the Freddy Krueger TV show. Enough actors in Hollywood got their start on Freddy Krueger films, including the likes of Lawrence Fishburne, Johnny Depp, Tom Arnold, Kelly Rowland from Destiny's Child. Even though there's not much to these shoes, the detailing is absolutely phenomenal. You even have little imperfections in the sweater here too, printed onto the canvas. It looks like that's actually worn into the shoe, but it's really on a print. Just a generally cool shoe, man. If you have one pair of Vans, you've had them all. Insoles read as such: Nightmare on Elm Street Vans. This tumbled leather looks really nice on this pair, man, and it's just one of those shoes that looks so nice from afar. It's just, man, this gotta be the most perfect Halloween shoe. For every single Halloween for the rest of your life, you could wear these and people will be looking at your shoes like, wow. Little known fact about Freddy Krueger, the actual concept for the movie came from a disease that was spreading around Laos. It was called nocturnal death syndrome, and apparently 116 men from Laos were literally dying in their sleep from unknown causes. Nobody could figure out what the hell was going on, man. Scary shit. Shoot, it actually was based off of real life shit. Now these do come with your Nightmare on Elm Street branding here. Nightmare on Elm Street Vans. It's a Warner Brother collab. 17 plus. Wow, it's not a joke, man. House of Terror, Vans off the wall branding here. They did such a good job. I can't stress it. All you got to do is make sure you spray these down, keep them in good shape. I do have a box here for you. In the movie, she found all of his little murder toys hidden in the basement and she wasn't having it. So what did he do? Yeah, he yoked the hell out of her in front of his kid. Now here you have your Vans House of Terror box in a blood print. Super cool. The blood print is actually similar to what you find on the Benny the Butchers. This gotta be the best box I've seen in a long time. Like, the detailing on this is crazy. It could be the thumbnail. And you have your House of Terror branding here. Super cool. It came a bit mashed up and it shows you the release date was supposed to be for October 1st here. A couple notable deaths. You seen the scene where the one kid was in his bed and he got pulled through his bed? Yeah, traumatizing. Release date hold until October 1st, 2021. And box reads Nightmare on Elm Street, size 8, skate high. And you have your branding and style code there. One of the coolest looking shoes and coolest looking branding that you can get, and just super amazing, man. I can't believe how nice that these shoes came. And look at the blood print with the box. It just goes so nice together, man. What do you guys think of the Friday the 13th Vans Freddy Krueger edition? The details on this are incredible and the styling is just something else. A lot of people pay good money to have a shoe like this customized to make it look like this. So Vans did a really good job with this, I feel like. And if you missed out, you're probably sleeping. Definitely a wicked cop. Journeys Canada again with some goddamn hidden bangers. Sometimes you just walk in the store and they got stuff sitting there. Anyways, make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. Wear what you like, not what's the hype. Let's hit the on foot.